Hey, good morning. This is your lifestyle influencer, Keith Harley. Well, I always talk about make every day an experience. Well, guess what? It starts when you get up in the morning, where you create your mindset, your environment, your aesthetics to make sure that you feel incredible when you walk into your main room, when you go into your kitchen, when you get your day started, when you even have a cup of coffee. Make it an experience, guys. Everything that you do, everything that you have around you, make it an experience. One of the things I love to do is I put on my cool diffuser with some good smell goods in there, light my candles. I do this every morning because it helps me, it kind of increases my energy and decreases the stress. Guys, light you some candles. Now I'm talking about not just in the evening, but in the morning, set the tone. I love to make me a great cup of coffee in a great cup. I love my glass cup. It's amazing. Put some good cream, like I'm going to Starbucks. Everybody goes to Starbucks for an experience. How about you create that Starbucks at home? That experience at home. Try it. I'm sure you're gonna like it. Trust me. I love to go outside, look at the sunrise, smell the fresh air, look at the breeze, look at the beautiful trees blowing, all sorts of things. This is what gets me going. Nature, it's the experience. Try it. And of course I need this right now because I'm writing my book, Step Up. Every morning I'm getting up, I'm doing a couple of hours of writing my book, getting my day started, and making sure that I get the job done. But as you can see, my environment looks comfortable enough to work. Remember, it's the little things that count. It's the little things that make a difference. Make today an experience. Be intentional, be on purpose, be unapologetic. This is your lifestyle influencer, Keith Harley. Don't forget, make every day an experience.